Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share some of the home remedies that you can take in case you have COVID symptoms. So let's get into the video. The first tip is you need to consume vitamin C. So vitamin C is more enriched and greater amount in lemon. So you can consume lemon water. So lemon water in a sense not the normal lemon juice that we make at home, but the lemon concentration should be very high. It should be in a concentrated form and not a dilute form. More of lemon and little water, and do not add sugar as sweetness at particular time can bring down your immune system or increase the infection that you have. So hence do not add sugar, but directly have lemon water. Or if you feel in this pandemic situation getting lemon is not easy, you can have supplements instead of that, such as chewing tablets that is available in the medical store, or you can consult your doctor. What else supplements can you have for vitamin C enrich? So one question, why should I have vitamin C? Whenever we feel unwell, our immune system goes down. Hand in hand, even the vitamin C in our body also drops down the same way. So in order to support, to build up our immune system, we need to have vitamin C. Hence it helps us to gain back our immune system. Hence vitamin C is very important to our body. The next tip is a common one, but we are going to do it in a bit different way. So applying Vicks. So it is almost used in every home for headache or cold or cough. We apply Vicks. But in one of the health magazines, I read that instead of applying Vicks in your throat, you can apply it under your feet. It is very effective in quickly reducing the cough, and it actually does work. So in case you have headache, cough or cold, I would recommend you to apply Vicks not in your throat but under your feet. So apply it and give it a gentle massage. The next tip is checking the oxygen level. So for checking the oxygen level, you need to buy an oximeter. You will get that online. It will look something like this. It is a handy product itself, and check at least 3 times a day your oxygen level. So it can be 93 to 100 is normal. And how to check the oxygen level in an oximeter? First, this is something like a clipping which you get. Okay, you need to place your middle finger inside the correct position. So there'll be a point, so on that point you need to place it and then on it. So in case you don't put it in the correct position, I'm just pulling it down, you can see a error there saying finger out. So you need to make sure you're placing it in the correct position and owning it. It is going to read, you will find something going on like this. So in few seconds you will get the count. So 93 to 100 is normal. Few tips which you need to keep in mind while checking the oxygen level is, make sure you don't have long nails and you have not put any nail polish in your fingers. So your fingers should be dry and it should not be wet. And also make sure you put the finger correctly. So that's about checking the oxygen level. So as I said, you need to check it 3 times a day. So in that, once it should be checked after a 5-minute walk. So walking is very important. So walk when it is sunny, you have a good amount of sunlight early in the morning. So have a walk for 5 minutes and then check your oxygen level as well. In case your oxygen level drops below 94, proning technique is very recommended. So proning technique is a medically approved technique in order to improve the oxygen deprivation. So on how to do that technique, you can sleep by laying on your belly, this position, that is position number 1, and the second position is you can slantingly sit up. So this position. So these are the 2 positions. You can keep switching them in 30 minutes. So proning is recommended at least from 30 minutes to 2 hours. You can switch the positions and do. I have just added a diet chart, so in case you're interested, you can have a look at it as well. So coming to the diet plan, you need to take more of protein rich food, and don't forget to intake at least 2 eggs per day, and eat fresh vegetables and fruits. Avoid oily foods and avoid more of salt and sugar, and make sure you drink enough water every day. So coming to the intake of dry fruits, you can eat walnut and anjeer, and also don't forget to have turmeric milk in the night. So turmeric milk is nothing but mix a tablespoon of turmeric in a glass of warm milk and intake it in the night time before going to sleep. And one of the last additional tip is workout. I would largely suggest workout at least from 10 to 15 minutes, because workout not only gives us physically but also mentally. During that time we would be mentally disturbed with lots of anxiety or maybe depression, or you might also feel bored. So I would recommend doing workout also creates an emotional balance and helps you to relieve from mental stress. And the next tip is consuming herbs. Having a good drink at least once a day, that helps us to increase the immune system in our body and also also helps us to remove the toxins from our body. You can check out this video that I have posted. You can have this drink once a day. Well, it's not going to taste good, but it really adds up benefit health wise in the body, so you can try out that drink as well. The next tip is steaming. Steaming is very important and you need to do it at least 3 times a day. And let's know why do we need to do steaming. Steaming helps us to relieve the congestion or cold in the upper respiratory tract. This relieves the symptoms of swollen and inflamed blood vessels in the nasal passages and eases congestion and other respiratory symptoms. Apart from these tips, you need to also always consume hot water. Don't miss out on that. And also goggling is very important. In a warm water, add rock salt or normal salt and do goggling. It is very useful to clear the sore throat. And the next one is changing your masks regularly. That is very important. In case you're using use and throw masks, make sure in a day at least you change it twice. In case you're using cloth mask or some washable masks, do wash it on a regular basis and dry it up in the hot sun. So that's it for today's video. Hope these tips were useful. Do implement them. It really adds up much benefits to your health. It's useful. If yes, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel as there are more funny videos also coming up in my channel. So if you're interested to watch them, do subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.